Let's learn about naloxone, also known as Narcan. Naloxone is a medication that reverses an opioid overdose. It helps a person breathe normally if their breathing has slowed or stopped because of too many opioids, like heroin or fentanyl, or prescription opioid medications like hydrocodone, oxycodone, OxyContin, or morphine. In short, naloxone can save a person's life. Using naloxone nasal spray is as simple as peel, place, and press. If you happen upon a person you think is in need of help, first check for a response. Gently shake the person's shoulders or shout their name. If the person does not respond, call 911 for help. Then check if the person is showing any signs of an opioid overdose. Symptoms or signs of an overdose can include blue lips or fingers, slow or shallow breathing, gurgling or choking noises, cold or clammy skin, or pinpoint pupils. If the person is still not responding, use the naloxone nasal spray by peeling back the tab with the circle and open the pack. If you have time, review the quick start guide on the box. Place your first and middle fingers on either side of the nozzle, with your thumb on the plunger. Insert the device into the person's nostril until your fingers on either side of the nozzle touch their nose. When you are ready to give the dose, press the plunger firmly with your thumb, spraying the naloxone. Then remove the device from the person's nostril. Remember, naloxone will not hurt you or the person you are helping. So even if you're not 100% sure the person is overdosing on an opioid, it is safe to give them naloxone. After giving the person naloxone, roll them onto their side and see if they're responding by checking their breathing. If the person is not responding after 2 to 3 minutes, roll the person onto their back and spray another dose of naloxone in the other nostril. If you have more naloxone, give another dose every 2 to 3 minutes, alternating nostrils, until the person begins breathing normally. When you are not giving naloxone, try to keep the person on their side to help keep them from choking. Stay with the person until medical help arrives. Anyone can overdose. So remember, call 911, then peel, place, and press to save a life with naloxone.